You know what? I should have actually looked and practiced before I stuck this thing in the door. But you know what? Let's just go for it. Let's just do it. Let's just. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl P Hope, and I am back with another video. Okay, y'all, this is my first official video vlogging off my brand new phone that I got for Mother's Day. But as I was telling y'all in a previous video, this phone does not come with a SD insert port. So I'm a little confusion on how I'm supposed to actually upload the video. So I want to make this video just really short and simple, but I just want to upload it so that I will know how to upload videos from my phone. That's one. And number two, I want to check out the quality that this phone gives, because from me just playing around with it, taking pictures of the baby, me taking little selfies around the house, it seems like it's a really good quality, and like I'm really going to enjoy this phone. And I was telling y'all in the other video that this is the Galaxy 23 Ultra, I think that's how you call it, the Samsung. But yeah, this is the phone that I really want. Well, I wanted a Note, but I think my my homegirl was telling me that they don't even make those anymore. So like the Galaxies are the next best thing to a Note. So yeah, I'm really excited about the phone, but we need to figure out how to work the phone. So what I want to do in this video is change my doorknob on my closet. As y'all can see, we're in my closet. Don't mind that white dress that's directly behind me. That is my grandma's dress. So if you're looking at it talking about some what in the old lady is that, it does belong to an older woman. Okay, don't have no fear, that's not my dress. But I want to install this First Secure doorknob. It's just a little cheap doorknob that I picked up at Walmart. I think it was $18. And I need it because I need to put a lock on my door, because unfortunately my eldest child, who is getting ready to be 20 years old, obviously does not know boundaries. Like you know, he came in here and he drunk up my juice that was inside of the closet. So you walked in my room, you went inside my closet, you opened a brand new thing of juice, you drunk it. I don't know if you got a cup or if you wrapped your mouth around it, but you never called me to ask could you have it. You didn't text me. You didn't wait till I got home. Like, you was thirsty, so you went for broke. You went for what you knew. And that was just my last straw with that. Because, you know, obviously he doesn't know boundaries. Okay. I'm getting a phone call, so it said that the phone stopped recording. I guess I gotta wait till that stop ringing. I can still see y'all. Can y'all still see me? My phone's still ringing, so we'll see. Okay, so yeah, I see it says y'all are still running. So yeah, anyway, I don't even remember like 2 seconds ago what I was just talking about. But yeah, because my child doesn't know boundaries, I'm just going to put a lock on the door, so that way he don't never have to get confused again when I'm not home on what he can have and what he can't have. So yeah, let's just see how easy or not that it is to to put a lock on a door. So here we go. Just, you know, common sense is the first thing I got to do is remove the old doorknob. So I'm gonna do that, and what I'm hoping is that I don't have to remove this middle part. That's what I don't want to have to do, because I feel like that's the part where I'm gonna start doing too much. But we'll see. Well, I gotta shut the door to do this part, to take the screws out of the back of the door. So I'm gonna cut y'all off and I'll come back. All right, y'all, now that I have worked up a complete sweat getting my old doorknob off, which as you can see does not have a lock on either side because it's just a regular closet door, so why would it need a lock? This is the inside of the little hole. That's what that looks like. So now what I'm gonna do is remove this little part right here, and I'm gonna put all the new pieces right there. So that's the old, out with the old, in with the new. I done bust a sweat. I got the fan. Baby just turned the fan on me, so hopefully that will. I wish I could just turn this camera around, because I'm over here being Wreck-It Ralph, and he is over there sipping on an ice cold something. But whatever. Watching me talking about some, yeah, babe, I'll turn the fan on you, whatever you need. Boy, I tell you, good workers are not easy to find. Anyways, let's move on. Isn't this the cutest little screwdriver y'all ever seen? FYI, don't go buy this screwdriver to do your doorknob, because this is what you're gonna run into. You're not gonna be able to put the screwdriver in the hole because the two are gonna bump heads. So don't do what I do. Do as I say. So this was the one that I got the doorknob off with, but this the one that I'm about to get this side piece off with. Hey, what y'all pop back on for? I didn't call for y'all. Especially right here while I'm struggling to get y'all out. To get this out. Let's see. There it go. Alright. So it just popped out like so. So I'm just gonna put that old one to the side. And it's a new one in the box. So, and it also came with a new little side panel, the little side piece, but I don't think I'm gonna change that. I think I'm gonna leave it silver. If it end up looking too tacky, I will change it out, but I don't think I'm doing that tonight. I keep looking up there and I don't think I'm doing it tonight. So let's just move on to the necessary. So this is the new piece that I'm about to insert, and it needs to go in facing this way. It fits exactly in where the old one was. So, and these little pointy screws are the screws that were in the old one. This is the screw packet that comes with the new one. So I'm just gonna find those same two little pointy screws. And go with it. If I can get it open. I'ma get it open. I'ma get it open. Had to use my muscles. Okay. And there we go. That fit right on in place. I feel like such a handy woman. Now, this is where this is where I'm about to look crazy at. Okay, so the outside of my door is what needs to be locked. And the inside of my door, of course, I don't care. But it comes with, this is the kind of doorknob where it can be locked on either side. So I want this one to be on the inside of the door and this one to be on the outside door. I need to have a key to get in it. So, boo, 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 boo. You know what? I should have actually looked and practiced before I stuck this thing in the door. But you know what? Let's just go for it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. So, stick that through there. Okay, in hoots. So, okay, this is the part that I just put together. And this, y'all, now I done lost the part. What I do with it, y'all? Oh, here you go. And this is what's got to go through there. And I mean, that's pretty much self-explanatory because this hole right here is a square. And then this piece right here is a square. So I know I can just go straight through there. But my issue is when I get to this doorknob, how do I make the two line up with each other? Because they're not just going to do it by themselves. Like, you see, I just did it and it still didn't even line up because these two things right here, these two little rods is supposed to hit these two holes with a screw go. So, yeah, that's what everybody got me messed up at. But anyway, we're gonna just try it again. So let me stick this through here because everybody played shapes in school, so everybody know how to fit square with square. But now let's see if we can fit circle with circle. Yeah, these are some long screws. As you can see, well, y'all probably can't see from how dark it is in here, but I can see how much lower my old doorknob was from this one, but it don't look that bad. It don't look that bad. It'll be all right. Yeah, it's like that on both sides. So this doorknob just naturally sits a little bit higher. Yeah, I'm making this a lot longer than it actually have to be. Now that I have done it, I actually want I want to look and see if they make like cute design doorknobs. Now I want to change all the freaking doorknobs. because it actually was not that bad at all. Now let's see if I actually knew what I was doing, because it also comes with this piece right here. Let me put y'all back in the light. Hold on. Okay. Sit up. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm still getting used to this gimbal. I really like it though. It's very much sturdy. Very much what I need in my life. But it also came with this, y'all. And I know it's something that goes with the door because it's the same shape as the little, as this little thingy. So I don't know. Let's see what it's giving. Okay, it's giving locked. Uh-oh, it's spinning. It's spinning. Hold on. This part is working. Don't look at my hand. Y'all know how I feel about my hands. But this part of the door is working. See, it's making the little thing do right. And then when I hit lock, it's locked. Okay. Here we go. Okay, that didn't. Ooh, baby, we did it. We did it. Now, last test, all I need to make sure is that the door can completely shut. Boom. Ha ha. Boom, shakalaka. And then if I lock it, I guess that would also be a good idea. Like, you know, if you live in a not so nice neighborhood, or if you ever in a situation where you feel like you would need to use your closet space or use whatever area you put in the doorknob on for like a safety space that you can run to and lock yourself in it so that nobody can get in. Because think about it, if you got the key with you, they can't get in from the outside, and then you done also locked it from the inside. So the only way they're gonna be able to get in is to kick it in. So hopefully by then you'll be done had the glizzy ready or something, to help the situation out. But that just made me think about that when I had locked myself in the closet. But yeah, y'all have seen my little bootleg home improvement. So this is yet another check that I could put on my home improvement belt. So now I have done some changes in my bathroom, and now I know how to do doorknobs. I'm really debating if I'm gonna put my own chandelier up. I already have a chandelier downstairs in my dining room. I'm babbling, so thank y'all so much. If you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And of course, I want you to be happy, be healthy, be safe. This is your girl P Hope, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.